Hello class, today we're going to be talking about interpretation of multiplication. Let's see. So multiplication basically means adding items, multiplying items in groups. So when we have this basically means that we're adding 2 to 5 times itself. So we have 5 groups of 2. I missed one. So 1 group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3 groups of 2, 4 groups of 2, and 5 groups of 2. So really all this is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. But we can write it differently. We can write it as 2 times, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 2. So we can write it as 2 times 5. And that's pretty simple. We know that equals 10. Let's see. So we have this equation. A times B is equal to C. So A and B are both what we're going to call factors. And C over here is going to be our product. When you multiply things together, it's called a product. So A is going to be our number of groups. Times B is going to be the number of items in every group. Equals C, our total. So let's look at this problem. There are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. How many milliliters are in 4 liters? So let's draw a picture. Let's draw one box for every 1,000 milliliters. We're going to label everything. 1,000 milliliters. 1,000 milliliters. 1,000 milliliters. 1,000 milliliters. All right, so we have 4 groups of 1,000 milliliters because we know that there are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So each of these boxes is equal to 1 liter. So what is an item? So let's talk about an item. An item in this case would be the liters. We're going to say an item is equal to 1 liter. And what is a group? A group is going to be the milliliters because we're grouping the milliliters. All right, how many items or how many groups do we have? Well, how many groups of milliliters do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 groups. How many items are in a group? So let's see. We have 1,000 items per group. Because there are 1,000 milliliters in every liter. So we have 4 groups of 1,000. So how can we rewrite that as a multiplication equation? We can write 4, which is our number of groups, times 1,000, which is our items per group. Our answer is going to be 4,000 milliliters. There are 4,000 milliliters in 4 liters. Thank you for coming to my math class.